5 friends were rounding a curve at a high rate of speed on Willow Street in Lansing, Michigan, where the posted speed limit is 25 miles per hour. The driver lost control and crashed into a tree, igniting the vehicle and endangering the lives of the trapped teens inside. Officer Turvo arrived a mere 3.5 minutes after the crash. What he found would stay with him forever.
I know. Do me a favor. Get back. Get back. There's still 2 people in the car. Hey, can you move? I need you to get out of the car. Come on, get out of the car. Come on. Come on. Vehicle's on fire. I need you to get out. Get out. Yes, there's somebody on both sides. Get out. Four people in the car. There's 4 in the car. I'm trying to get them out. Come on. Can you open the door for me? Where's the lock? Come on, get out of the car. Come on. Come on. Come on.
The faces of juveniles were redacted in compliance with the William Van Regenmoorder Crime Victims' Rights Act.
Come on.
Climb. Gotta climb, sweetie. Come on.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
The driver's still in there.
Yeah, I know. I'm not worried about your phone. No, there's still a driver in there. Come on. Get farther back. No. Don't go to the car. Your phone. Come on. Driver's still in. Driver's still in the car. I see that. Get back across the street. Driver's still in there. Everybody else is out. Sam, come on. Come on. Come on. Get away from the car. 34, just an update. I got everybody out of the car except the driver. Might be okay.
The fuel and other motor fluids are highly flammable, and the fire could quickly intensify at any moment. The officers also need to rush the victims away from the toxic fumes released by the blaze.
You gotta get them farther away.
All right, hey, come on, we gotta get out.
Can you walk at all? I need you moving farther away from the car. Okay? Roll on your back, I'm gonna drag you. Okay?
What do you want to do?
I just want you to come this way.
Perla exam allows for the officer to observe how the pupils react to light. The pupils should be equal in size, round and reactive to light and accommodation. Any abnormalities could indicate a traumatic brain injury.
Hey, keep your eyes open. Ribs are broken on the left side of one of okay.
Equal pupil dilation on her.
Okay.
Edward John, Boston, 3176. Now with these on scene, we're going to need probably 1, 2, 3, 4 ambulances. I'm good.
I know.
My
Listen.
hand just...
Okay, sit down. I'm telling you to sit down.
But yeah, I
Listen.
promise I'm good.
I know. I get you're good. But take a seat. Take a seat.
Alright. Now with you, okay? If anything hurts, tell me, okay? You need help? Hey, I'm gonna try and get her. Can you walk? Can you get up? Let's walk over here away from the car, okay? Okay? What hurts? You don't know? Okay.
I need to sit here for a minute and concentrate.
What's up?
Okay?
What?
Sit here for a minute and concentrate.
Okay, we got to get away from this car, okay?
Okay.
So let's go over here, okay? Can you get up?
Wait, now. Just give me a minute, okay?
Okay, this car is on fire. It might explode, so we need to get away, okay? So follow me. Yep. Hey, come this way, come this way. We're gonna go to the ambulance, okay? Watch your step, watch your step.
You good? You got water?
Yeah, probably from the glass. I had to break the glass, get them out.
10-4, shut down both ways.
Yeah, just my hand up. That's neat.
I'm gonna start with this and then see. Hear it? Am I hurt?
Yeah.
Yeah?
She was a passer.
Can you hurry up, y'all?
We're gonna need him here.
I don't know where. It's probably just from glass somewhere. Take it. Just give me the rag.
Hurry up, get me off here.
You okay? Burn?
No, cut it. I had to break glass to get the people out.
Let me see.
It's not bad.
Okay.
Were you the one that busted the windows out?
No.
Okay, yeah. Over there. Him and I helped.
Did you see the car
Not
accident
sure.
happen?
No, I lived 2 blocks over. I heard it. I was smoking a cigarette and came down.
Okay.
At this point, Officer Turvo seems to be experiencing shortness of breath and coughing, clear indicators of smoke inhalation.
I just gotta catch my breath.
You okay?
Yeah.
You get checked out?
It's a small cut from his eyes. It's not bad.
I'm gonna wake up real quick.
I'm letting them take care of them first. I'm good.
In the back seat. Driver's cage. Work on it. Believe. Don't work on it. We got better now. They gotta check you out first. They're taking care of that patient. You guys just want to start assessing.
I want to go home. It was just us 3. No, where's the other girl? She's right here. Where's the what?
Driving the car.
The Dari.
Johnny's last name.
I don't know.
How old is he?
It's too much. Oh, God. I want to see that. I want to see that.
So, you know his last name?
How
do you know?
What's going on?
I thought they were sending 4.
Yeah, so I think there's 4 total passengers.
According to the Manchester Mirror, the 4 passengers, an 18, 19, and 2 15-year-olds, made a full recovery from their injuries. The driver, however, was pronounced dead at the scene. According to the Lansing State Journal, investigators believed that speed was a factor, but no cause of the crash was determined, and none of the passengers were charged with any crimes. Using Google Earth, we can estimate that the vehicle traveled 125 feet in 48 frames of video shot at 30 frames per second, or 1.6 seconds, for a speed of 53 miles per hour at the point of impact with the curb. For most modern vehicles, this would typically be a severe but survivable crash. It is unknown if the driver was wearing a seatbelt. Officer Turvo sustained cuts to his hands and suffered from smoke inhalation. For his decisive actions, Lansing PD awarded him the department's Medal of Honor Award.
Your incident has been updated.